So we're on Hunter Lake Trail, and we ran into some people who said they had a stuck truck up there. Well, there it is. Dodge Dakota, 4-wheel drive. I centered on some snow. But the owner is nowhere to be found. I think we saw him hiking a mile or two ago, but he was going the other way. It may have been him. Doors are locked. So we're just gonna try to pull him back a little bit. If we can't, we're just gonna bypass him. Move on. But he has a high lift and blocks of wood. Looks like he was trying. So here we go. Take 2.
It's moving. You just got to give her a little bit more. Yeah, keep going. Keep doing it again. Turkey's got this. One more. One more. This should be literally the last one. Yeah, we need to get them on dirt. Perfect. Actually, give him one little one because he's kind of in a little crevice. Perfect. And that, my folks, is Kirky on fire. Good job, Kirky! I tell you. The Broncos just, they're kicking it, looking good. Yeah.